is the big fountain. Nakikita nyo, napakaganda. Super lamig po. Okay, that is the big fountain here in Eco Station. So you can see there. Guys, Christmas is just around the corner. Keep safe, everyone. And enjoy life. Merry Christmas to everyone. Hello guys. Nakita ko na po sa inyo yung lights up nila po dito sa Okayama Eco Station. At nakita nyo naman po na napakaganda yung mga lights nila. And very unique. And again guys, thank you for watching my video. And hope you always follow my channel. My channel, please like, share, and subscribe. And please don't forget to push the button and comment in my channel. Okay, thank you guys again for watching, and see you again next vlog. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.